Okay guys, I'm going to show you 3 quick ways to find bloggers to blog about your campaign. The first one I'm going to show you is what's called a Google Images hack. So what I'm going to do is just go to Kickstarter.com. And let's see here. Let's just find one that I know got a lot of press. So we'll say Ministry of Supply. Okay, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this first image right here. And now I'm going to go to Google Images. And I'm going to shrink my window down a little bit. Close this out. Okay, let's find my screenshot real quick. There it is. Okay, and I'm just going to drag and drop this guy right over here. And what this is going to do is it's going to show me all the articles that have been written about Ministry of Supply. And here they are. So we have Fast Company. We have Ministry of Supply Daily Picks, right? We got Spike McClinton, Ministry of Supply. We got Outgrow Me. We got Crunchware. We got Kickspy, we got Sports Technology Podcast, thedistinction.com, the Daily Hookup. So all these guys are going to be good for you to write, to pull in and pitch them on writing about your campaign. So the trick to this whole thing is you want to find campaigns that are similar to yours, whether that be clothing or sportswear or iPhone chargers, etc. Find a campaign that's like that, copy and paste the image onto your desktop, drag it over to Google Images, and then from that point start making a list of all the different blogs and bloggers to reach out to when your campaign goes live. Okay, the next trick I'm going to show you is Technorati. So this is a way to find blogs on a certain subject. Just type in Technorati.com. And we can sit there and break it down. So we can say maybe shapewear, or we can say iPhone charger. Now here's a bunch of blogs that are writing about iPhone chargers. Okay? The other way to do it is you can sit there and come across just click on technology blogs. And you can see the top 5 technology blogs, top 5 movers, shakers, all that good stuff. You can look at lifestyle blogs, and they break it down. You can look at sports blogs, political blogs, social media blogs, all this good stuff. So this is basically just a way to find influencers in the blogosphere without having to spend a whole lot of time doing it. Another site like this is alltop.com. And we can do the same thing here. We can search gadgets. And here we go. Here's all these different blogs that write about gadgets. So this should give you a good way to pull even more of a list. Okay, and last but not least is a little site that I really like, and it's going to show you a lot of niche blogs. And the reason niche blogs are so important is because where these bigger blogs will drive a lot of eyes, niche blogs will help and convert more visitors. So it's called Do Follow blogfinder.net. And all I have to do is just type in my search term, so I can just say iPhone charger. Hit search. And then I can just go through these guys. And this is kind of like a wonky site, so you got to move these little guys around, but it's not that bad. Okay. So here you go. So these are all going to be posts on iPhone chargers. And these are all going to be niche blogs. There's going to be some big ones in here, but most of the time it's, hacktime.com. So just real, niche-y type of blogs rather than looking at mainstream. These guys are smaller, but they're very, very loyal followers to these blogs. So hope that helps you. Between these 3 tools and the others, this should help you really develop that blogger list.